Alrighty, guys. I'm going to do a card from Alina's deck today. This is the Ribbons and Borders, or Ribbons and whatever it's called deck. Ribbons and Grids. I don't remember what she calls it. Grids and Ribbons deck. We're going to do this one that looks a little Huggins-like, called Zwoj. So we're going to do a series of C-like shapes, a big space, and then C-like shapes underneath that, lined up evenly. And then we're going to connect that like this. And then we're going to go vertically. And then these little ones in here. See what happens. See what happens. I think we want a kind of a longish one. Let's do a bookmark shape. Let's do it. No, not on that one. That one's got a bit of an issue. Let's do it on this orange one. Okay. So we're gonna do a C-like shape here. Are my shapes perfect? No, they're not. It's okay. And then one going the other way underneath. Like that. Then we're going to do a shape that kind of hooks this one to this one, like that. Like that. And then this way. Like that. And then the next line goes here and here, like that. A little bit of a curve to it. My original C's need to be wider. And closer together. That. Okay, and then the next line is this one. I got a little carried away right there. That's okay. We will fix it with a little embellishment. then there's another line here. Okay, now I want to embellish. Kind of looks like a belt buckle. I'm going to embellish. I want to hide this, so I'm going to embellish with some dots. Let's do that on this side. I am so sorry about my voice. I caught a cold. So the next few videos, I'm going to have like frog voice. All right, and then I want to do like that. And then I want to shade darkest in here. Oh, it should be along there too. And then a little bit along there. And a little bit along here. And then we'll come back with highlight. And this one was called ZWOJ. A little bit of blending. There, I didn't want that one. That shadow is no. That shadow is a no. This one's a yes. That one's a yes. We could try this one again with our C's a little thicker. I think I want these a little thicker, fatter this way, closer together. But that's okay. It's fine the way it is. Okay, and then just a little bit of white, not the brightest white. I want just a kind of white. Should I do another orange color? I think I will. Maybe a lighter orange. Where's my pencils? Add a little color. I think I want to put a little bright orange in my little dots there. Just to highlight them. I wonder if they need a white also. Or do I need a brighter white pencil? I think I need a brighter white pencil. That white pencil was okay, but not enough. I want brighter highlights. Change over to my Prismacolor. Something like that. That's better. Alrighty. There is our I guess I'll leave it like that. All right. You guys have a great day. I will see you next week. I will probably still sound like this because I'm going to keep recording today as long as I can until it gets too hot. It's still pretty dang warm here. Who knows what I'm going to do. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you on the next video. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.